Right, video solution for this question from exercise 6C. This is 6H. So what we should notice is we've got a cot squared and a cot, which means we've basically got a quadratic. So I'm going to solve it by letting y equal cot theta so we can see the shape of the quadratic. So that will be 2y squared minus y minus 5 equals 0. Then I'm just working my way through factorising and solving that quadratic. Of course, as an A-level student, you have access to your A-level calculator, giving you the solutions for y. So all I'm going to do is pop my calculator here, go down to the quadratic solver. It's a polynomial, degree 2. That's 2y minus 1y minus 5. And it tells me the solutions are y equals 1 plus root 41 over 4, or 1 minus root 41 over 4. Then, so I'm just going to get my other solutions. I'm just going to head back into my calculator and go back to calculate, because what I need to do now is figure out if any of these are actually viable. So I've got 1 plus root 41 over 4. When I do SD, this is 1.8508 to 4 decimal places, and this is minus 1.3508 to 4 decimal places. So we've got two possible values, but we're looking at cot, which is cotangent. So the range of tan is negative infinity to infinity, so we don't actually need to worry about it being out of range. But if it hadn't been cotangent, we'd then need to worry. So what I know is 1 over tan theta, because we've got cot, so that's 1 over tan theta, equals 1 plus root 41 over 4, or 1 minus root 41 over 4. That means that tan theta will be 4 over 1 plus root 41, or 4 over 1 minus root 41. So then we're just using the inverse cot on the calculator to get the values of theta. Okay, so once you've got your two values for tan theta, we're then going to use the calculator to get the values of theta. Now, we're going to have two sets of values, one for this one for this one. Note, if we look at the actual question, it's in degrees. So, when we look at the thing, it's in degrees, so I need to double check my calculator's in degree mode. Then, I'm going to do inverse tan, so shift tan, making sure my calculator shows the minus 1, of, I'm going to take the first one, so 4 over 1 plus root 41, make sure we close the brackets, so that gives me 28.38 to 2 decimal places for that one, or, and then I'm just going to do the same thing for the other one, negative 36.51 to 2 decimal places. Then to get all my other values, I'm just going to quickly sketch my tan graph. It's from minus 180 to 180. So we've got that. The asymptotes here and here. So I know I'm going to get that because 180, so that's 90 up, so that's 45, so then up to there. Then we need another one here. So nice and simple, because the tan graph just repeats with an interval of 180, we're just adding 180, so we don't get any other values.